I'm just repeating this for the camera. What kind of, you say lack of evidence, what kind of evidence would you find compelling? And if you were to find such evidence, would you become a believer?
First of all, there can be a difference of opinion on what evidence is. Okay? And I'll define evidence as I see it. Evidence as I see it is objective findings of fact that can be verified by, at least in principle, can be verified by others and can be studied and can be experimented on if it's amenable for experimentation. So that's what I consider evidence. Personal experience is subjective. It may indeed be 100% accurate, 100% true, but it cannot be verified. You just cannot verify it. So evidence has to be verifiable, has to be falsifiable through experimentation or other scientific methods. And philosophical assertions, in my opinion, all apologetic arguments for the existence of God are all philosophical assertions not based on objective evidence. Therefore, they can't be verified. They don't have methods to determine whether it is true or not. There are so many, there's tens of thousands of philosophical and theological positions, and all of them can't be right. One may be wrong. I mean, they all can't be right. One may be right, but how are you going to verify that one out of tens of thousands is going to be the right one, unless you can test it? So that's my opinion on evidence. Now, what would I be willing to change my opinion if there was enough evidence? Yes. Scientific analysis is always on probability. There's no certainty in science. I'll repeat that. There's no certainty in science. We are not certain about anything. Anybody, in my opinion, a theist or atheist, that's 100% certain is delusional or worse. On either side. We all really are uncertain, whether we realize it or not. We're all uncertain. So we're not talking about certainty. I had an opinion before I deconverted, based on my understanding of the world around me, and I investigated the issues scientifically and came to the conclusion that, based on everything that I know, objectively, looked at by science, the probability of there being a God, let alone the Christian variety of a God, is low. I only accept claims that are probably true. My goal in life is to know as much truth as possible. Regardless if it makes me comfortable or not, I want to know as much truth as possible. And because of my pursuit for truth, as I said earlier, I've suffered loss of relationships. Would I do it again? Absolutely. I continue to do it. I want to know the truth. So if you were to present to me the type of evidence that I just outlined, and it appeared to me to be more probably true than false, I would be compelled to accept it.